Good morning, good evening, whichever time zone you are. This video we are making for answering some of the Q&As that we have been getting in the community for the last few weeks. And one of the most common questions that I get asked is how to get a job and what to focus on. This is the first thing that I get, especially in this region, in the UAE, Saudi, and whatever is the region. So how to get a job, how to get into this data and AI field, especially now, as of today, as of 28th November 2025. So there is no straightforward answer to this. There are two important pillars that are there that all of you should start working with, irrespective of the final outcome that is there. One is building your profile, learning, keeping yourself up to date, keeping your LinkedIn up to date, your Git. So that is the first thing, is learning the foundation. Then the second thing is that comes into is the way you are applying. For that you have to be using your two most important tools. That is your referrals, that is there, the connects that you built. You can make it if you are going to offline events. That is one way of doing it. And the second way of doing it is LinkedIn. Try to follow the top 10 or 20 companies that are there, and then try to see what their employees are doing. Try to look at if they have any openings, and it is a long game. Breaking into a job market is a long game. If you have not yet got a job from your college directly, then you need to have some patience. Maybe you can try to get any job that you are getting, and then prepare yourself to get into the data and AI space, which takes time and effort, and you need to do it in a proper systematic manner. There is no shortcut to this. There is a lot of work. Try to also get some more visibility by joining some hackathons, doing some challenges, showing the projects that you have built to the audience, because that is very important. There are a lot of people, especially in this region, who are coming from various parts of the world. Their skill levels are very good, but they are not being visible. Be part of community initiatives that are there, and try to look at how you can use this opportunity to show your skills, to give demos, to grab attention of the hiring manager. Because I keep meeting a lot of hiring managers who are looking for good candidates, and the problem when they define good, it is someone that who understands the business problem, who understands the requirements that the lead or the manager gives it to him, and he, without asking much questions, develops a solution looking into various assumptions that are there, even if he is using the help of AI, but develop a robust solution that looks into various assumptions that are there. And then finally the work that he gives is not half-baked. It is completely tested, QC'd, and all the scenarios of the input-output exceptions have been taken into consideration. So these are some things that any founder or any employee who are managers who are looking for their employees to be, because nowadays no one has the time to sit with the employee or with the juniors or with the interns and explain them that this has to be done. They give them the proper task requirements and all those things. That does not happen. So you need to go deeper and understand and try to solve problems through projects, and this is the best way that you build your portfolio and you get a visibility for your specific work and your specific use case. So best of luck, and keep your questions coming in the Q&A section, and have a great learning ahead, and join our community events where you can ask live questions, and see you in the next Q&A call.